cute. What we doing? Turn up, let's do it, man.
I like the song, I like the beat. You definitely had the energy. You was engaged with the crowd. My thing is you kept putting your head down a little bit, I noticed, and like you said, you was rapping loud, so some parts I wasn't hearing you clearly, but I can tell it's a nice song.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't eat. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing.
Okay, now VIP elite building.
So we do a professional every time.
I know that's right.
Yes, ma'am.
What's up with it, y'all? This your girl, Poison Avenue. Tap in with Poppin' Fashion Mag.